I'm joined now by Li Zhao from Des Moines, Iowa. She's co-founder and president of the China Iowa Group. Thank you again for joining us.
Thank you, Elaine, for having me.
So what are your thoughts so far on this 100-day plan that we are into, conceived during President Xi's visit to Mar-a-Lago? Do you think it was a turning point in the relationship, and where do you think things stand at the moment?
Well, it's absolutely a turning point. I remember earlier on, before the Mar-a-Lago summit, when we were talking to our clients in China, people are genuinely concerned and worried whether President Trump is going to impose the tariff on goods and services going into the United States. And after the Mar-a-Lago summit, and particularly with the 100-day plan, which clearly lay out what the two countries are going to do and have a dialogue to make sure all the action are taking place, is very encouraging. And after that, we talked to our clients in China. They're very optimistic about the two leaders, and also the trade relationship between two countries seems to be on the right track.
And that being said, we have seen dramatic, huge growth in U.S. states' export growth to China. We saw this new recent beef deal. Will we see more of the same?
Yes, absolutely. Everybody knows the former governor of Iowa is now in D.C. receiving orientation. He will become the ambassador to China, and in many occasions he always tells people that he's looking forward to serve Iowa premium beef at the embassy. So that really opens door for a lot of beef producer here in the United States, and we predict that other farm and agricultural products to follow suit as well.
Other areas of economic cooperation include services, education, of course, and investment. Do you think we'll see more growth in these areas where there is a lot in common?
Absolutely. Earlier I heard from the forum in New York, and actually I had the privilege to attend the forum when they were being held in Des Moines this Monday as well. One of the things that we talk about is the Chinese enterprises investment in the United States has increased to $45 billion in 2016, increased by 200% in 1 year. And we have every reason to believe that more and more Chinese investment will be coming to the United States. And one other area you just mentioned about the students, and statistics said that average student spends about $45,000 here in the United States, totaling about $16 billion as a contribution to the U.S. economy.
That cannot be discounted. You mentioned the Chinese delegation's visit there to Iowa, also in New York at the moment. One of the key points was to talk more about the Belt and Road Initiative. We know that the United States is not a part of that, but do you think we could see individual states like Iowa and others take part? We also heard that some companies are also interested in it.
Yes, absolutely. During the symposium, I heard many speakers talk about, especially for agriculture machinery equipment manufacturing, wanting to be part of the Belt and Road initiative, such as Caterpillar and John Deere, and it presents a lot of opportunity for them to be able to access into the market outside of China, being part of the One Belt, One Road initiative.